So next up, guys, got a really nice dozer here. So this is a 2015 Caterpillar D6N LGP, local consignor, guys. They are a one owner on this machine, so it's a one owner unit. Good 6-way blade up front. Just put a new cutting edge on it, so you can see that cutting edge is excellent shape. Obviously cab, heat, AC, radio, has all those things. Undercarriage looks to be real good yet. I think he said they put it on new like 2 seasons ago. I'd say that's probably 65-70% pretty quick. So excellent paint, regular maintenance, regular service, and see there background and everything is really in awesome shape. So I'm here with Sean. He's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a nice little demo. Starts right up there. It's a little bit of a windy day. Hopefully you can hear it, but runs nice and smooth. Just kind of show you the blade working. We're on the grass, kind of in the yard here. Don't want to do anything crazy, so just going to kind of track it forward and reverse. Try not to tear anything up. So there's the video, guys. 2015 Caterpillar D6N LGP. Very nice unit. Go, guys, to auction time at Old 20 Auctions.